For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet stitch. It will look like this once it is finished, and this is how we do it. I've chained on a row just to demonstrate this technique to you. So I'm going to count one back just to give me a little room to put my stitch in. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to go through my loop, draw through 3 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and go into the next loop, and then I'm going to pull through all 3 loops on my hook. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to go into a loop and draw through all 3. Yarn over, go into our next loop, draw through all 3. Yarn over, go into our next loop, draw through all 3.
I hope this helps.